What's the deal? What is the deal, chat? Another day, another dollar. Same shit, different toilet seat, as I like to say it. Welcome to another Asian session. What's the deal? What's the deal? Please sit down, get comfortable, stand up if you have a stand-up desk, or if your ass hurts, but get comfortable, and let's get right into it. I think some of you are looking at these 1 hour flips as we close right above the range. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good until you start looking for these stops. And I really want to see some stops right at where we rejected. So with the daily being bearish, this, and we close back in range on the daily, if you guys see. This might be a top wick for the daily to come back down. Did we exhaust it here? I'm not sure. Probably not, but we'll see. 4 hour closed bullish. Most likely fill the rest of this range before flipping. Here it comes. Here comes the hourly flip. How many of you will be in on this? This is the hourly level here. We did close above, right? We closed above this hourly level here. Wait, hold on. That's wrong. God damn it. There it is. That's the hourly level here. The hourly, the 1 hour. And the 5. You guys see the 5? A little higher than the hourly. So what I will wait for, I will wait for the 5 to come break these highs. You guys can get in there on the hourly if you want. It's a solid play. I really like the hourly flip. Previous hourly stops are about 32 pips, so you might want to look into not over risking on that position. But I'm gonna look for a closure above here, and once we get a closure, I will look for stops somewhere in this area. Okay, below this 5-minute range here. Probably right here. So, but it is flipping on the higher time frame, right? The 15, the 30, the 1 hour. There's the flip. Probably 9 pips to fill the wick here, right? Is it? 10 pips? Do you get a 10 pip fill of the wick here? Come 9.5, 9.5, yeah, 10 pips to fill the wick. It should grab liquidity to come down and see these wicks to the left. But I'm gonna wait for it to close above our 5-minute level. Which will be above here. Right, so we will look for a closure above here. Come on. Come on. Buys above. There we go. So that's where we'll look for buys, and in case of sells, we will look for sells, yeah, somewhere below this area if we get down there. The level you see here in the middle, we're not going to mark it. Let's just break out of these highs, and that'll be it. What's up, Kay? What's the deal? How's it going, Green? Appreciate you for showing up, as always. Hey, my stand-up guest game today. Dope. Hope you use it wisely. That's not something you can, like, show off, right? Like nice car you can pull up to a chick, be like, look at my Benz or something, right? You can't bring a chick home and be like, check out my stand-up desk. Can't do that. I mean, if you do it, it might come off wrong, right? Check out my stand-up desk. All right. Anybody get in there on that hourly flip? I know it flipped. It was bullish for a second. Obviously, no one's going to answer right now. No one's going to be like, yeah, I got in. I'm the asshole. No. Oh, Zach. All right. You're in. Yes, sir. And yeah, there's people in there. I thought everyone was going to be quiet, and then when it hits TP, everyone's going to be like, not going to lie. But that's right. That's right, Jeff. Rocking a solo cup. Oh, that's right. I gotta like my stream. Appreciate it. I'm gonna like my own stream. Drop a like. Sub to the channel. If you're new here, the year's only getting started. Well, the week's over, but the year is only getting started. All right. My second day is here. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're on a roll. I like the consistency. Why do you look different, bro? I shaved. I was getting grizzly, right? Like it? Hung. Potato, you might be in luck because we might be doing that starting February on Sundays. Sunday sessions, we'll get a chance to do that. Gee, break, you will wait for the break of the wick or just break resistance and you end? No, you see it says buys above closure. I'm gonna wait for a candle to close. And when it closes above this area on the 5, we will take some buys. But like we said, the bias is bearish, right? The bearish is bias. That's a quote from the Bible stick candle. The bearish is bias. So our bias is bearish, and this might be the top of the daily, right? Who knows? Wix, do you stream for New York session? No, okay. We do stream in New York, but it's not on my channel. We're on Don Vo's channel. So check, search for It's Don Vo, or if I know Green pretty well, he's gonna post the link within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it's coming. Whatever. Green had shit to do, but somebody gonna post the link for it. Anyway, go sub to It's Don Vo, and we was there in the morning. Took 70 pips this morning. It was a great morning session. It was a beautiful NY session. Perfect. Worked down to the T. Right, there you go. There's Green posting the link here. Just click that link and that'll take you to the channel where we have our morning session. So sub to that channel and turn on notifications. This way you know when we're on. And sub to this channel and turn notifications on here. This way you know when we're on in the evenings. Beautiful, Jeff. Beautiful. Look, we're getting a lot of new people. So the algo's working. Let's fill this up. What's going on? We do have a divided audience a little, right? Is there new streamers? Is there other streamers? Huh. Wix, can you explain me why the wick not count? In what sense? Which wick did I say does not count? I need prices. Give me prices. New people, let's get it, Wix. Beautiful. Thank you, Rosa. Thank you for showing up. Kieran, what's the deal? Too toxic to be mod. It's coming. It's coming, calm. He's going to stream when NYC when Don is gone. See, when Don's gone, he's never really gone. So, he's still going to be there. He's still going to be there. Okay? Because I know some of you guys. Some of you guys, shit, Don's not streaming. Wix is not streaming. What am I doing? The markets are open. Nah, that's Wix's heartbeat. That's Don's heartbeat. Not yours. Always here, but not always in the chat. Yep. Yeah, Wix got my heart beating loud. V. Tanic. It's too long to say all this. I'm just calling you V. What concept do you trade, Wix? I don't know. We just read candles and we have. This is my own concept, right? This is my own concept. It's just like everybody sees their own shit in the markets, right? You guys can pick up on what I see and emulate it, and I'll discuss it live as we're going through the trades. And I can give it some funky name. What do you want me to name it? What do you name it? We can name this whatever we want. Chat, send in your names of how we trade. Let's go with the tomato the glitch method. Yeah, the ultimate money glitch. That's what Marcos used to call it. You trade golf? No golf, only gold. Roddy Pip. No SMCs, no PMSs, no NBCs, no ESPNs. We're not gonna call it none of that shit. No ICT. Wix9, the bacon plug, straight cheese. We call this the bacon strategy. We get greasy in here. When it comes to US 30, how do you approach it? Here's what I do. Oh shit, US 30? Oh no, still US 30, fuck. Oh, gold's back, alright. Missed ya. How come sometimes you take buys on the breakout and other times you wait for it to break and form support? Is that to like confirm range 2? Sometimes, yes. Every trade has its own nuances and its approaches. Sometimes it's to get a better stop. Sometimes it's to make sure we grab liquidity. It just depends how and what you're approaching. Pull safe for me. What'd you hit? Oh, pull day. Yeah. So I did legs, but you know how legs go. Like you do legs and then you're like, fuck, I'm kind of tired of doing legs because it's like a waste of a day. You're not getting bigger. You're not getting noticeably bigger. You're getting bigger, but nobody notices it, right? So I did legs and then I just got a little bit of chest in. A little bit of chest in. Like 2 exercises. That's it. How long you been trading? About 21 minutes. So you are not late. Reason behind not liking indices, just curious. I didn't get there. Never had to go, like my road never went through indices. We just kind of went, my road went crypto, mining, investing, Forex, losing more, consistency, profitability. That's it. That's my road. Never needed to be pull over at the indices pit stop, and never pulled over at the US 30 rest area. Just kind of straight to this shit. Nah, I mean, best time to trade Asian? 7 to 9? No, 8 to 10. You know why? Because I'm on. Wix, you said you'd show us your MT5 terminal. Absolutely. But then I looked at my terminal and I said, You guys were here yesterday for that shit. Come on. What's your opinion on GJ? I don't have one. I don't have an opinion on GJ. They do get pumped if you do them right. No, your legs get pumped, but it's not noticeable, right? Like you're not gonna go walk down the street and people are like, oh, you look bigger, your fucking calves. No. People are gonna, you know, looking at your upper body. But I do the legs just so I don't look weird when I'm fucking naked. That's it. Should have waited for closure above, got stopped out. So this is, you know how we were doing the hourly flips last year and the 30 flips, and yeah, we probably would have been in on the flip here. Maybe wanted to even wait till this level here, 1934, because you got these rejection wicks here. But we might have been in last year. I don't know. But the 5 has fine-tuned it even more, right? So you get to zoom in more. Big arms and little legs look funny. Yeah, it does look funny. There's some big, massive guy that always wears sweats. I know why he always wears sweats, because his legs are tiny. There's one massive dude in the gym. What's your opinion on summer trading? I mean, like, what do you mean? This isn't school, yo. You're not in high school anymore, Dorothy. This is real fucking life. What do you mean? Summer is... Monday in the summer is not a work day? Tuesday? Wednesday? Bruh. Markets are open. You think the traders, the banks close? No. They liquidity provide? No. Those motherfuckers are working. The world is turning. You're on this big fucking ball that's rotating and spinning in space at 20,000 miles an hour or whatever it is. And you think shit stops? Never. It never stops. Summer was actually very profitable for us last year. Very. You like talking like the, what's his name? The guy that chases Bugs Bunny all the time? Elmer Fudd. Very, very profitable. Stop that. Interesting here. So if we come down here, look at the higher time frames here. So the hourly broke the previous hour low, right? See where we can get some optimal positions. I know this is the 5-minute level, but it's got to make sense. 4 hour still hasn't flipped. I think I'm gonna look for positions here. I like this area. See, it also falls in line with the break of the previous 4 hour low. So I think that will be the only case where we're gonna look for sells here. And I would look for a 5-minute closure below there. And the reason I would look for that is when we close below this area, we tend to drive. See, we reject off of it. Let me show you, as you want to look for areas we drive from. Close below here. Next one came down here. This one respected and eventually came down here to this area. So when we close below here, right, below here, we tend to come down to these areas. This is roughly 30 pips to take advantage of on the 5-minute, and on the 4 hour, this is what it would look like. Oh, and if you look on the 1 hour also, hold on, let me get rid of these levels or these drawings. On the 1 hour, also very nice here. Look, we just drove through, closed below, drove through. Now I know the next candle closed bull, but it still reached this area, right? Closed below. No, next candle came up, but it still reached this area, right? So, okay, we got a level reach there. Held it, faked out, came all the way down. Closed right below, came all the way down. This one just drove through, closed below, respected, came all the way down. So this is the area we have in common for everything below here coming down. So if we do get a candle closing below here, it might not, because look, we've driven through this area a few times, but if a candle does close below here, we're going to be in on this candle to take us down. Okay. But it has to happen. We have to see it happen. If we don't see it happen, we will not, I repeat, we will not do anything. Hold on, I gotta turn down this music. I feel like it's too loud. Oh, it's just my headphones. Okay, got the patience. Okay. Hey, bro, I heard a lot of people online talk about price action strategy. Stop working over time. I want your opinion on this. What we can. Did you DM me? Or did you send me a Discord message? Somebody asked me that. Like, literally as I was jumping on, I was looking through some of my messages, and I noticed this. And if it's you, I was gonna say thank you for reminding me. I wanted to address this online because I didn't want to write you a long ass message. When I could just say it in 30 seconds or in 5 seconds. The message I got is, oh, wait, I don't know where that is. It might have been on Instagram. But yeah, so price action strategies stop working over time. No, I think people's fucking ego gets to them, and people have never really been consistently profitable. They see a little bit of profitability, and then as they keep going, they start losing, and then they blame the fact that markets are different. I believe that the market is a reflection of the total psychology of the trader's mind, of all the traders in the world. Everyone that's in the markets, all the money in the markets, everything, the price you're seeing, all the banks, it's still being done by people, right? It's still traded. Like, this is retail trading. And I believe the overall psychology of the group, of the public, doesn't change, right? So if the psychology of the group doesn't change, And people don't really change. People tend to think the same ways. That's why 98% of people or traders fail, right? Because everyone's thinking the same way. And overall, a human being psychology doesn't just change. That's evolution for it to change, right? So until we evolve, I believe there's going to be a human psychology factor reflected in these candles that are being printed and in price action. And as long as people are fucking people, I believe price action will stay the same. Charts don't show price. They show price, but the price is a reflection of the overall emotions involved in the market. Yeah, like overall what it's reflecting people's strategies, money, and emotions here, how they're reacting to price points, right? So it doesn't change. People are people. On 1 hour candle, gold. You don't have to tell me gold. I mean, like, we know. There's nothing else here. 1 hour, close 1920 below 1929.18. It should bounce back up, right? If looking to the left. I mean, no, I don't know what it should do. I know that I'm going to be prepared if it does, or if it doesn't. Like, I know what I'm going to do. Probably nothing, but that area is of not massive importance to me. It is and it isn't. I'll show you why. This is the area that's more important to me. See what happens here? See how the 5 works? This is a good example. So, look, 5 broke, you could have taken the position to drive straight down. 5 broke, it didn't drive. You know why? Because look at this massive drive it had here. It needs to find some kind of resistance. It did. You could have added a position as it came back in here, and then it drove a little. Let's say over here now, it closed back up in range. I mean, back down. It closed down in range, then came right back up. I believe we had a trade here. Isn't this where we took a trade? Yeah, I think, I'm not sure if this was, when was this? Hold on. Wednesday, 4:15. I don't remember, but it looks like one of the trades. So if you took a position here off the rip that it came down and you're thinking this is a support, your level is right here. Your 4-hour level, right? Your 4-hour levels right here. That's your stop, because that's the most logical stop. Came back up. We got to close bear. We close bearish right here. You enter again as it starts coming down. Boom. See, it closed below here. It just needed to come back, grab liquidity here. So it came back here. You wouldn't know, you wouldn't open a position to you can, but I wouldn't. I would have waited for this to pull back, then open, and then over here in this area, I would have opened, been a drawdown, and then reopened the second position. I think this is what Don got yesterday. I'm not sure. Oh. These Our character building times. It's patience time. Wow, 460 already. Good job. Drop some likes. Drop a like for the breakdown because we haven't had a trade yet. Drop a like because you support what we're doing. Let's keep cracking the YouTube algo. Let's keep getting more new people in here. Let's keep growing this non-toxic community. These are blunt times. These are Jamaican joint times. My spreads seem high right now. What about me? Non-tucked. This is the least toxic Forex community there is, and I'm proud of it. Love that show. Where you live in Wix? Right near the beach, boy. So I like my cigar. I roll blunts. Yeah, I used to roll blunts all the time too. So I realized I could just roll joints. Out of those THC gummies about to dial up an order. Did you see the post I made right before stream on Instagram? Oh, it wasn't a post, it was a story with Elon Musk talking about building. He took an edible and he was about to build 300 or like 30 different fucking Mars fucking spaceships. You guys should watch that. That was dumb ass stuff. Dizzy as a mouse. Great to be here again, all the way from London, UK. Thank you for joining us, Sharon. I appreciate it. Again, as in like you were here like last week, or are you joining us every night? I want to see consistency. But I'm gonna remember that name, Sharon Gaspard or Gaspard. Last week. All right, well, you're here for the last day of the week. We had a W yesterday, so we had a massive W this morning. Wix big W's on the new. Yeah, I had combined 70. Could have held, but I was really happy with my profits. Stopping in the future. No, it's not about stopping in the future. It's about growing, and if my growth leads me to bigger and better things, yeah, but for now we're here. Let's worry about today. Let's worry about this year, and the goal for this year is to grow, really grow, right? Get you out of poverty, right? On your way to self-sustainability, right? Yeah, there's no diplomas here because the learning never stops. Trying to hit 6.2? Well, shit. Make some money and then you could stand on your money, right? Be 6.2, be 6.5, standing on your money, dog. Simple solution. Can you save me? No. How many trades in a day, bro? I got 2 today. Oh, you got 30 bucks left. That's why you want saved? No. See, that's too little to be saved. But it's not too little to be learning, right? You're looking to be out of poverty today and tomorrow. I'm telling you that when I realized how powerful this can be, I said to myself, I'm cool with poverty for the next 3-4 years. Not even cool with it. Like, I'm cool with it until I get it. And it don't have to be tomorrow, tonight, and it sucks. And I know looking forward and thinking, shit, I'm gonna have to fucking drink glizzy water for the next 12, 15 months, 18 months. Yeah. And yeah, just don't think of it. Think about showing up today and winning. And then when you show up tomorrow, show up and win. And eventually you're gonna, you win enough. You're gonna, I'm telling you, and I tell people all the time, you're gonna smash your goals just as a byproduct of winning. You're gonna achieve everything you want. You're gonna pass. You're not gonna notice you're smashing your goals because they're gonna be a side effect, completely unnoticeable to you, of what you're doing. If you're focused on really learning this and getting it down, and you have to love it. You have to love it. Otherwise, it makes it that much more difficult to show up every single day consistently and keep doing and keep building. You have to love it. I find that people that succeed in what they do tend to love what they do because it just keeps them coming back. All right? What's the pen called? This is from 710 Labs. I don't know. It's their shit. What advice do you have for someone who's at break-even stage, been on a 25K funded for 3 weeks and haven't made or lost $1? You're not in a break-even stage. Break-even stage is when you spend 6 to 8 months, and after 6 to 8 months, you're like a doji candle. You went up, you went down, but at the end of the candle, you're back in the same spot. If that happens to you for a yearly candle, right, or for 6 months or for 5 months, you're on your way. You're well on your way, right? Just keep grinding and just keep picking out little nuances. You're gonna have these aha moments and a breakthrough, and you're gonna have a bunch of them. Just click. It's just, well, for me personally, it was never like one thing. But when you're break-even stage, that's the stage before profitability. That's the stage where you're like, shit. But it's also the hardest stage to get out of because that's where you have to do your most important work. And that's actually analyze the market on your own and realize where you can have an advantage from your perspective, right? Not from somebody else's perspective. So it's tough, but when you're profitable for 3 weeks, when you're break even for 3 weeks, that's not a stage. That's not enough data. That's all it is. You need more testing, more sample sizing. Wixie, what? Any crypto and holding? I have some. It doesn't matter what I hold in crypto. It's really irrelevant. Ripple and Ether mostly, yeah. Been 6 months, have had 4 retries. They're free, right? Keep retrying until you make your money, boo boo. You have a funded account? No. Sniper entry means you entered right before you drove. Sniper entry means you entered at a wick and you closed at a wick. Sniper entries are only announced when they're like 50 pips in profit. Then people are like, yeah, I took a sell here at 1934.88. Word. Why didn't you tell us 30 seconds before you were going to take that sell that shit's going to come down right here at this specific... You never hear him warn you in advance, be like, look right here, this is right at this spot. If you want to get the wick, this is it. No, it's always like Like, I'm 40 pips up. Look at my entry. Fuck. Don't be mad at me, Kelvin. Kelvin Kerr. Chat, Kelvin or Celsius? Definitely Kelvin, right? Celsius. Chance to down stream that like to extreme. Beautiful. A lot of times it's the other way around. A lot of times people stumble upon my stream and then we do a shameless New York stream plug. And people go over there in the morning. It's awesome. The fact that the community is growing and the same people are showing up here and are showing up there and are getting value out of this and are thinking it's worth to show up, like it's flattering, overwhelming, but it's also very inspiring, right? It's makes me want to do this. Word, some likes. I mean, that's the way to crack the algo. You guys drop likes. That's how it works. The more interactions we have here, right? The better the stream gets ranked in the YouTube algo. And then the more people that type, whether you guys are trolling, hating, or talking shit, or even showing love, you know? Why am I saying even showing love? Most of the time you guys show love. But, or every time you like, or every time you sub to the channel, that all works for the algo, and it makes YouTube recommend this stream. So you know that's 6K subs. We're already 6.1. Remember, just a few days ago, I was like, damn, I wish we were off 6K, so it doesn't look like I bought them. So on our way to 7. Yeah, but I didn't get these 6K subs. You guys keep showing up, and you guys are liking and subbing, and it's beating the algo. Let's go 49ers, just helping with the algo. Let's go. Let's go Brock Purdy. Just liked and subscribed. Amazing. Awesome. I appreciate it. How hard was the grind initial stages of your journey? Like, if you're asking that, you don't need to ask me. Like, you know. You know. Like I've discussed it. Yo, you guys should watch the podcast, the Culture Shift podcast, episode 2. If you guys want to know anything about me, it's probably in there. But this thing, I've said it before, it'll beat you down, test the very depth of your ego. It'll tear you apart. It'll leave you with no support. It'll leave you feeling at your lowest points. That's why people ask me if I'll recommend this to my kids. I never would, because you go through these stages. It'll completely break you down and humble you to the fullest extent. If you think you're good at anything in this life, and you think you're amazing and incredible, and you think you're killing it, try trading, because it will humble you. It will humble you to your core. And then it'll give you hope. It'll give you hope that you can actually do this. And as you're getting hope and it's building you up again, it'll fucking break you down even further, and it'll take you even deeper. And that was my road. And it sounds like it's everybody's road to get profitable here. I've never met a person that didn't go through that that battle within, that battle with self. That's the most important battle to win, because once you win that and you start keeping your ego in check, right? Because you beat your ego and you tell them, hey, look, I like you when we go out to clubs, but when I'm trading, I need you to shut the fuck up and don't listen to your ego and keep that voice in the back. You know what I mean? Like, I know that battle. It's tough, but it's very humbling, and I'm glad. Like, I'm thankful for it because I've been able to apply the lessons I've learned here in every other aspect of my life. Word. It's so hard to ignore the noise, right? Because this is all that's happening when you're trading. It's like, you know, shh. Oh no, where's my noise? Ah, sorry, chat. My noise is gone. I gotta end this. My voice mod is frozen. Hmm. That's not cool. About our stream, is our stream good? Oh yeah, we good. The podcast, yeah, it's on Marco's channel. I don't even know if he still has it up. You lose a lot of friends? Yeah. Shit, you'll make enemies out of family. That's even worse. Because they don't see the vision. They don't see the possibility. They don't know. They have no clue. They've never been a part of this world. They've never been, uh, what's the word? Absorbed? I don't know. They saturated. That's the word I'm looking for. They've never experienced, the full saturation of this world. It still bothers me. They come into the room sometimes and create an audience. My wife will, she'll have her homegirls over and then friends and oh, like, where's your husband? Oh, he's over there. And then they'll walk in here like fucking 10 deep, sit down in front of me and just watch me. I don't know why they do that. But like, yeah, like they still do it. It still bothers me. But I can't flip, right? I got 3 daughters. I flip, they see an example. Close below here, but I don't want to sell into this area. And the 4 hour is still bullish, right? It still hasn't flipped. So I'd really want, that's why I'm waiting. Like I see this area, I know some of you see it, that we're below these. We did close below this line here, right? The support. There's some play here. But overall, you want this 4 hour to be on the other side of this line of 1928.82. Let me put this on here. Sells below closure. If I was just coming onto the streams, this would look really misleading, and it would look like just breakouts. Anything above or anything below. Anything above you buy, anything below you sell. But that's how you know people are either stream hopping or aren't, fully in control of their emotions, their ego. So if that happens, I don't feel bad. It's a lesson that needs to be learned for every trader. Don't just hop in, start listening to people and start taking positions. No, just be in tune with what we're doing first. Don't just blindly throw money away. Wix, do you put in Sinclair M? Yes. I think you're only the second person that's ever asked me that. Yeah, y'all should follow Marcos on Twitter. Marcos is very knowledgeable in a lot of things. Very good person to know. Very good human being. Very knowledgeable. People are afraid of risk and comfortability. Most people are conservative of money. Well, it's not their fault. It's their relationship with it, right? It's their relationship with money. So it just depends on how your parents reacted to it, how your parents dealt with money, what kind of examples they said, how people around you. It has a lot to do with the school you went to, and you see people spending money or people having things, not having things, the circles you ran in. So everyone has a different relationship with money. It's not about being conservative, it's what their surroundings are. But that's why we all have different perspectives, right? VIP signal channel. Yeah, there's a VIP signal channel. If you go to DVS Discord, there's a signal channel, and the person that's dropping those signals is right here, as a matter of fact. Don Vo. Yeah, they told me below 90% invest 2 and invest 8%, sir. Bruh. Hold on, participants, are you in here? Oh, you are in here. You're in the waiting room. Hold on, chat. We're gonna have the man, the myth, the legend make an appearance. What happened? The Leafs are off? They're not playing? I thought you played me. I thought it was the Star Spangled Banner for a second.
I don't play that garbage.
Yo, excuse me. We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to edit that out. I'm gonna have to rewind this stream.
This guy stood up. What up, my
Had
boy?
me.
What's poppin'?
What's the deal? How are you? Where's your camera?
I'm training shirtless right now. I can't go on cam.
Come on, pull a Ted.
Can't. Only FTMO days. I mean, not FTMO days. FOMC days.
Mm-hmm. Are you filming your OnlyFans right now?
Huh?
Don's filming an OnlyFans right now. It's the only reason to be shirtless. It's fucking 20 below zero, and you're telling me you're shirtless. Well, where you are.
It's actually -3 degrees.
That's like -20 in Fahrenheit. You're walking around shirtless for a reason. Don't lie to us.
What's the deal?
You got these cells?
No, what I'm looking at here.
Red Effect said, "Let's see the gains."
So
show them nipples.
if you go in the 1 hour time frame.
Yes, sir.
If you go in a 1 hour time frame, you're gonna see this candle. Wait, clear your tools for a second. Like just right click and clear it. If you can unclear it after. You can unclear it after. Yeah. So go move back to where you were earlier. So you see this? Yeah, right there. You see this right here? This right here into these levels there. This right here.
I know that's where you wanna come back and get a wick into there.
If we could wick into 1936 and then we close below close below 1928, which is that 5-minute zone right around here, I think. Then then close below, I'll take sells, but I wouldn't take sells here just yet.
That's the zone we're looking at. That's the zone we're looking at. That's the 4-hour break here. But chat, whoever's in the signals, be ready. That's coming in London.
Look, same thing happened here on this day. You kind of do the same thing. Price push down, create a low down here, right? Same low here, came up, tapped the resistance. Same thing would happen here.
It did the same thing yesterday, actually.
During London, I believe.
Yep.
Yeah, same thing happened yesterday. So it's either that, but if you tap 1938 and it's going to 5, like if you tap 1938 and you don't end up like coming back down, you can take a range 2 buy above 1938. Yeah, that's the thing. So I think regardless, like it's gonna be a decent London session tonight.
That's what I was saying. The London session's gonna feast. If you're looking for these liquidity grabs here, London's gonna feast. But oh wait, hold on. How do we go back? There we go. Is there a way for me? Is there a button that I could just clear them and then they pop up instead of just having to
right
press
click
back?
Oh, Control Z.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Bro, turn that off. What are you watching?
I'm in my brand new car right now. I'm doing this analyzation in my Tesla.
Yeah. With that noise? What kind of Tesla is that? That must be the new Tesla spaceship?
Yep. I'm actually about to play I'm playing Forza Horizon right now.
Oh, he's psyched. That's how you know somebody's psyched about getting a car. I know he's definitely in his M4, the one he's getting. That's the car he has in the game right now. He's rolling around, picking up bitches, all that shit. I know it. You guys, keep your pimp hands strong.
I was looking. I might actually get the comp, M4 comp instead.
No, you're not.
Yeah, the M4 comp.
2023?
No, hell no. I'm not getting no new. I don't like the new grills. Like if I get a Beamer, I'm getting anything below 2020 because I like the old generation.
I feel you. Are you getting the red seats?
Yeah. I'm in between red seats and black seats. Like I'm just trying to figure out like
they're both good. I mean,
you unlower a suspension, right?
The thing is, you're gonna mod it the way you want, right? You might as well get red seats and mod
stock
it the way
one
you want. Yeah.
I'm looking at a bunch of carbon fiber shits too, so I'm just carbon fiber this, carbon fiber that, carbon fiber this.
Can you? Why save this money for the next car?
Bro, what do you mean next
Actually,
car comes in 2 years?
Yeah,
I'm
having
do what you mean.
What's the point of having fuck you money if you can't say fuck you, right?
Well, not really, but it's just like I'm gonna get the Urus. Just let me build my weight. I need to build my strength up.
Guys needs to hit the gym.
Nah, bro. You don't need to hit.
Gonna get carjacked in Toronto? That's funny.
Nah, they don't take M4s. They take Hondas.
They take Civics. Civics and Maximas. That's what they take.
It's to do with the engines. Like they need parts of the car. Like how come it's only the certain cars? It's weird. Because why would they take an M4?
Why would they take an
M4?
It's not like parts are expensive. Who the fuck would take? You know what? The older M4s don't have the tracking shit in them, so. And if you need to rewind the miles, just hit me up. I know a guy. You know,
One guy told me one time, if you want more storage, just download storage online.
Brilliant. I can scrap a whole car for 2 to 3K. All right, see, this is how we know who does what on the side. What kind of fraud y'all do on the side, chat? Come on, I want to hear all your side hustles. Mine is OnlyFans. What do you guys do? Moving packs of shake.
If your thing gets stolen, insurance covers it, no?
If your thing gets stolen?
Yeah, insurance covers it, no?
If your car gets stolen? The Beamers, they'll try not to steal.
But like, let's say it gets stolen, like, doesn't insurance cover a majority of it?
Mm-hmm.
Or a certain percentage? Like, do you know what it is?
No, your insurance goes up and they'll cover your car. You're getting it
100%?
brand new at the dealership, so you're gonna have full. You're gonna have full coverage, bro. If you have full coverage, you're gonna have theft and water damage and you Gucci. Gucci.
0% of it.
You remind me of the guys that are asking about a fucking an accountant in the chat. All these accounting questions. Shit, get a car first, bruh.
For real, bro.
Night shift security. There you go. At like what? Like a weed farm? That's where I would apply.
Gap coverage means if the insurance values cars are low.
Be crooks every night at that farm. Tax questions be crazy with no. That's what I'm saying. People don't be taking no withdrawals, and then asking tax questions. Don hasn't gotten the car yet, and then asking tax questions. Yo, Don has. Why are you messing with my sound?
Huh? My fault. I was playing the stream.
I know.
Yeah, you want to talk to yourself?
No.
Yeah. Why not?
Not my thing.
Word?
Not my thing.
Not.
Not my thing.
Word?
Not my thing.
Not. Word?
Not my thing.
Word?
Not J Don Boner.
Go. Nah. Word? It's not.
Not my thing.
Word?
Not J
Nah.
Don Boner.
Go. Nah. Word?
Yo, my shit
Who
stopped
brought
working.
this fucking imbecile on the stream?
What?
Which means it's just not working.
My voice mod. No, it's like frozen. I'm trying to end the task, but I don't want to fucking shut off the stream, so I'm not fucking with it. Thought I was tripping.
Wicks and Don remind me of Step Brothers. Heard. I need a thumbnail. Who's gonna make it for me? Cause I'm too lazy.
You're making some nice
This is
posts.
how it takes. Pardon?
Made some nice posts. I seen it.
Which one? I
Last one.
The trade?
Mm.
I made 3,600 and yo, chat. If you guys haven't done so yet, everyone go and like that video right now. Like that video, share it, and repost it.
There you go.
Right now. Everybody do it. Free promo. This is my shameless plug. I don't plug the New York session. I plug the IG reel.
Hey Siri, like Don Vo's latest Instagram post.
It's not gonna do that, is it?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how many people's Siri is activated. Let's see.
It's funny because we know we're not getting anything from London for Asian, but
Yeah, like I'm looking. I know it's not going, but London's gonna be
nothing's
juicy.
gonna happen. But it's just like might as well provide some value.
Here for the vibes. Still waiting for Dom's secret thumbnail to get exposure it deserves. I feel you. That's a good thumbnail.
Yeah, let's see who's liking this.
Yeah, Damo's
Hey.
secret is the best thumbnail. You gotta use it.
One kiss is all it takes to fall in love with me.
Yo, stop. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Stop. Sound exactly like it. Get my shit copyrighted.
One kiss is all it takes.
Wait a minute.
That's fire, man. It's the hardest song. Like, I haven't heard a song that hard in like since actual Speed World Cup.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Definitely.
The spreads are some ass on a Wanda. The spreads are definitely some ass on a Wanda. It's the best we get for regulation though. Actually, I lied. No, Blueberry is regulated. Yeah, why don't you just go to Blueberry if you wanna the regulated broker.
Donwell's sign up link.
Why is there no music on stream?
There's music.
On stream.
There's music.
On stream.
There's music.
On stream.
There's music. I love
Don't
hearing
stream.
smart people. Love listening to smart people. Hope they never stop speaking.
Buy stops, sell stops.
Right? That's what people coming in here think. They're like, fuck, we break above this wick over here, 1934, I'm just gonna buy. Or we break below this fucking wick over here, I'm just gonna enter. And then they get burned, and then it's like, well, what the hell? It's set over there. And then I'm like, it says closure, bro. But you know what it should say?
Closure
It should
charts,
say,
bro.
it should be like this. Hold on. It should be closure. Oh, this fucking Walmart keyboard doesn't work anymore.
Weak ass keyboard.
Straight cheese.
Get yourself an M4 competition keyboard.
No. Well, resistance.
RESISTANCE.
Oh, what am I doing?
You high as a motherfucker.
Smoke weed every day.
Whatever.
Yo, bro.
Fucking ski.
Bro. RESISTANCE.
I got this.
If one of y'all
And this guy,
says some
this
silly,
is why we follow Wix's buys and sells.
Resistance. Support. Bro, this fucking.
When I first started trading, I didn't know what anything was. I didn't even know how to spell resistance. But over time, I practiced my how to spell resistance and support, and I got better with it through sample sizing. It takes a lot of time and effort, though. Like,
it just took me like 6 tries. I got this.
You gotta really like sample size these terms, you know, because resistance could be sometimes spelled with E instead of I. Sometimes it might have double S's, triple S's, you know. So you really gotta make sure you sample size that. Chat, if you guys are new, you know, make sure you have those things down. Like have a playbook, and in that playbook, make sure you have these terms written down every day, so you don't forget. Very key.
Yeah, I have 3 S's all the time.
Triple S.
Less than 3 is a crime to me. See, we need sells below, but not just after we break the wick, because then we need a closure and a resistance, then a support fake out, and a closure belowsure.
That aroma.
This is our famous. This is our famous smoke fat Jamaican joint here level.
Smoke weed every day.
So as we close below here, like this, right? We take an entry, and when we drive down here, this is our go break even and smoke fat Jamaican joint here level, right? And leave runners if you want. Key levels, because if you don't smoke a fat Jamaican joint there, you're hitting break even.
Timothy. Did you make back guesses losses from today's gains, Wix?
I made him back yesterday.
Word. But your RR wasn't good. But your RR wasn't good enough.
I've been told that my whole life.
For real. My RR been looking like a Chrysler.
Like fucking road rash. Oh no, what was that? Yo, did you guys see? Yeah, I've seen that. My whole computer just blacked out. Did you guys see that? The whole thing just blinked. What the fuck? Yo, are you hacking me?
Huh?
Is that why you don't want to show your shirtless self?
Nah. Of course I would never do that, man. Come on. Right.
It went black. Yeah, you
Really,
see that?
man?
It's just my screen went fully black. I think it's
Yeah, yo, if you give me a remote control for 2 seconds,
no.
I can actually move your screen.
No. Why you need to move my screen?
I just want to see if it works. I swear to God, I'm not gonna do anything. I swear to God, I just want to see if it actually works. If I do something, bro, I'll give you 10,000 pips.
10,000 pips?
20 lots. In 20 lots.
Where are you shipping them?
I'm shipping them right to your MT5.
MT5?
Yeah, your MT5. Does it actually work? Hold on. You can try and Wix the stream. Doesn't work.
Bro, what are you doing? Oh, you're moving my mouse. Stop moving my mouse.
Wait, hold on. Don't move your shit for a second. Wait. How did I move the screen?
Oh, here. You have to right click. Right click your mouse. There you go.
Whoa, this is trippy. Yo, what the hell? Oh, wait. Alright, there we go. That's weird. That is weird.
Funny guy.
Real bad. I don't know what that is, bro. I mean, PUBG? I play that game all the time. I'm about to play some Forza Horizon.
I just say your name,
on.
sir. Wix.
Wix
How many
special.
shipping days? The shit's already here, isn't it?
What is?
I think you're talking about your car.
Oh, my car? No, I'm picking it. I gotta pick it up. It's local. There's a bunch of M4s in Toronto. Yo, man, this deer show I went to is fucking hard though. Like I've probably one of the craziest ones I've seen. You don't hear my game, right? Do you?
Sometimes I do.
No, like right now, you don't hear my game?
No.
You don't hear all that, right? No, okay, cool. You know what my favorite car growing up was? The Nissan 350 Z.
Oh, the 350Z.
I used to play
Growing
that in Need
up.
for Speed.
This shit's like
Yeah.
10 years old. Fuck you talking about?
Well, Need for Speed, man. Yeah, I was like around 6 years old or some shit, right?
Damn. It's a dope car.
Yeah.
Growing up, we had the 300Zs, the 240s, the 3000 GT, the Mitsubishi. That used to be dope.
Yo, is the DCT transmission considered a manual or auto?
A what?
The DCT transmission.
What's a DCT transmission?
Dual
A dual clutch?
yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking automatic.
Word.
3000 GT VR4. Yeah, my cousin had that car. He had the VR4. I think it was twin turbo. Yeah, the VR4 is twin turbo, right? All right. Nothing beats a good old GTR. Well, good luck getting a good old GTR.
I heard my blinkers don't work on my car.
The blinkers don't work in your car?
Yeah, they say you can't use blinkers if you drive the M4.
Oh, that's standard for everywhere in Florida. Completely useless. Like the most useless thing they have. Blinkers,
Are you taking
stop
Seltzer, by the way?
signs, and gun laws. What'd you say?
Looking for Seltzer?
No, I wanted to come back up.
Yeah, I was watching yesterday's stream or today's stream, and I was like, wow. It's funny how we were fucking around the whole entire stream until we had a trade, and then the whole chat, like I think the whole stream yesterday was barely Forex related stuff. And then next thing you know,
Trade.
yeah, we got a trade. Next thing you know, it's just like, yeah, time to get serious.
So, if you use the 5 hour level here, right? The 5 hour level. I'm about to call it a stream. So
The
our
way you move, the way you,
five
one
hour
kiss
level.
is all it takes.
Bro, you're gonna get me
Fall in love
copyright.
with me, possibilities.
You got a good ass voice. I don't know how you're not a star.
For real, bro. I'm gonna turn my camera on. Hold on.
But we just seem to drive here. You know what the thing is? We're yesterday we were bullish, I believe, right? That's the difference. Today the bias is bearish. So people low here. And the 4 hour flipped here, right? Wait, no, we
I'm on
broke.
camera.
You're blocking the charts, bro.
Yo, can I share my screen
What do
for a
I?
second?
Yeah, how do I share your share
Give me
screen?
permission.
What?
You gotta give me permission, I think. You gotta unshare your screen first.
No, you
And
gotta ask
then
me to share a screen.
the participant, a host disabled participant screen sharing. So you gotta like right click my name and then allow screen share or something.
Hold on, let me get to Zoom. Participants. Allow. Pin, make host, rename, allowed to record, local, allowed to multi-pin, allowed to share. How do I let you share screen? No, there's got to be an option.
It's under that green thing,
Oh,
usually.
new share. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I gotta stop sharing.
I can't.
Can you do it?
No, yeah, you gotta like right click my name or something. Or how it looks, but the three arrows next to my name and put like a allow square screen or something.
I am. I'm hitting the button, the three dots next to your name, and the options are chat, stop video, pin, make host, rename, allow to record local. Maybe I can make you host.
No, don't. You gotta, or so you see the square screen button, the square screen button.
Share screen. Yeah.
Is there like a can you right click that or something? Is there like an option there?
Oh, let me look. Hold on. Multiple participants. There we go. Yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right. Yeah, big brain. Go ahead. You
Is
can share.
there?
Don 20. Donzo.
How
Yo,
many
you
people in chat are
lagging,
looking
man.
at cells right now?
What was that?
How many people in chat are looking at cells right now?
Oh, this is good. This will keep them away. You know, we broke the previous 4-hour lows. Chat, don't worry. I'm not in a position here. Not in a position here.
Yeah, I'm not either. Me and Wick's not just secretly stacking positions here, you know.
Bro, stop. They're gonna fucking hang on every word you say, and then
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, chat.
I'm
Like
gonna
I
get
said, I'm
hate
waiting for
mail.
that. If I'm waiting for price to tap into that 39, I think it was 39 level I said earlier, right? If it taps that level, I look for size below this range. But until then, I just let it drive.
I'm fine with it coming up and coming back into this range. I just want it to come up and grab liquidity. Although it's done that, I think, on the 4-hour. Bro, this is the car you're getting?
Yep.
Well, this is exactly how it's gonna look within like a month.
A month? You think so? You think it crashes?
I don't know, but you might back up into like a parking spot, and this is what it looked like.
Oh no, I'm the best driver alive.
Bro, you're lagging
Kidding.
on my screen.
I am.
Oh yeah, I'm turning you
Zoom
off.
can't handle it.
Turning you off. Check my analysis on. Oh wait, hold on. We need music. The music ended. Get
Because you know why I
us
ended?
back.
Because it heard my voice and it's like, yeah, I ain't gonna
It heard your
I
voice
ain't
and it
gonna
was
fuck with
like,
that. They have a 30 closure here too. Go on a 30 real quick. Wait, is that a 2-hour time frame? Since when do you use a 2-hour time frame?
I don't use it, but I've always had it.
30.
This
Close
is
below.
with the whatchamacallit?
I see left on it. Go move up a little bit.
Oh, slow down. You got your own charts. You're playing video games over there. You're like the people that show up to your stream and play fucking Fortnite. Stop playing games.
Alright, bro. You know what? I'll look at it myself. One kiss is all it takes.
To chat.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna wait for it to come up, make resistance, and also if you got the 30 closure here already, so
Yeah, you just
so
got
the 30
closure
closed.
down.
If it comes up and makes a top wick into this previous range, you're gonna see. Well, if it happens immediately, it's gonna be a liquidity grab and then a drive. So the flip of the 30 here is not that bad. But you're gonna get a top wick and maybe most likely a closure below this 5-minute range. Because on the 5-minute, right, now that you've closed bullish, it probably looks like this. You come up, grab liquidity, close back below. Don just wants to come all the way up. You really want those 1-hour levels to
I'm also
drive
looking at it
down
from
for the
perspective.
day.
I'm also looking at the perspective where like 34 got tapped as well. But technically it was from anywhere from 34 to 36, but I guess 34 already got tapped. Like the candle just closed there an hour ago, and then next candle closed bearish, and this candle's gonna close up in about 28 minutes here. And the third close below, and 5 close as well. Also, if you get a top wick potentially.
But that top wick, here's the thing: that top wick is gonna come in the form of a couple of 5-minute closures and a resistance being formed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And as you're coming down, it's a break of the lows here. Solid. The 30, if you look at it like this, right? Every time you close below this level, you drive. That's our initial 5-minute level. The 4 hour is doing it. See, the 4 hour broke the previous 4 hour low, but it's you still have another 3 hours in this 4 hour, 3.5 hours. So it didn't drive. It broke the low, but it hasn't really driven here. Look at this closure here, and then it filled this whole range. Every time it closed below, it fills the range. Sorry, chat. Sorry for ignoring you. If not, then no sell for me. Okay. See, it's up 1929. I'd like to see a top wick here. Hour never closed below, right? The hour was just a bearish candle. Albeit it's a bearish day. Already closed. We have clean candle to the left. Clean candle to the left. We just need some resistance or a liquidity grab. Chemical is just different brokers based on different time zones. Fresh trim. Zer. Wow, you're here early? What did I miss? What? Talking about Don being here about 12 hours early?
Huh.
Don's facing serious mode right now? Hell yeah, he just fucking ran over a tree, 6 bushes, broke a tail light. He's fucking pissed.
I guess that's how it takes. Yep, advantage points at 26 on dot. It's like another like 17 pips before you tap a minor support. The way you move, the way you. When I broke the lows, forecast clean traffic going down, just kind of opened up.
Surprised if it doesn't pop down. Break of the lows. How'd you and Don meet? He subbed to my.
Saw him an ad on Facebook. Yeah, I saw an ad for an OnlyFans on Facebook. Yo, who's this cutie?
Cutie patootie. That's not what he thought. That was really my name.
Yep. This is so gullible, man. Did he really crash his car? I thought you really. Are you serious? I think I'll be
Did
this, like...
show him the results. He's on. Take a screenshot. Looks enter the trade. No, I will announce when I enter a trade. If I enter a trade, it's most likely no trade session, just because the way we're forming. If this 30 can come up into these areas, right, and then into 1930, maybe. Yeah, somewhere 1929.5. At that point, you'll have an hourly closure coming up. And end of the session. The five closed below here, and I don't know if it has enough momentum to drive here. It should fill this range, right? Because the 4 hour broke. But what I wanted was on the 5 close below here, and then find some resistance here. I don't think we would have had 10 on our position if we did enter off the 5 blindly. 6.9, so maybe like 5 pips we would have had. In at 1928.43. Well, if you're in a trade, you should know that. Where is your TP before you enter? Why didn't you ask me before you entered? But look to the left. Go to the higher time frame. Right? Go to the hourly. Look to the left. See where this candle drove. By the end of the hour, you're most likely going to be filling this candle right here to the left. Clean. Clean. You're gonna mirror this cleanly. Probability dictates so, right? So at least to here, and then you should manage risk. Exactly, potato E signals. Gotta be patient, wait for the Wix 9 5-hour candle closure. Perfect. Should I take TP? No, wait another 4 years.
You can also wait for the 1 hour close too. It wouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, these are funny. Then you just see the guy's like, I've been in a position for 4 years, what should I do?
Godly, bro.
He's like,
At least,
wait another
if you're
4
in buys,
years.
you're in a good position right now.
What happened? The race is over?
Yo, if you yeah, you the 1 hour would not be bad. But yeah, like 19 minutes, right? It's a long time.
You know what can happen in 19 minutes?
Yeah, if we drop down 1,000 pips. It's okay, I'll catch 10 pips in the 1,000 pip range. I'll take it.
This is still a drawing.
I didn't release my video yet. It's done. I just gotta make a thumbnail. Maybe tomorrow, chat, for Friday. Friday special video, right?
Victoria's Secret, baby. I mean, Don Vo's secret, sorry.
One kiss is all it takes.
sound like a 16-year-old girl in love singing that song. One kiss is all it takes. I'ma see him in school tomorrow.
Yo, who sings that song?
I don't know, but let him sing it. Let them sing that shit. I don't know who's singing. Oh shit, we got the Wix. I mean, the celery play happening here. 5-minute celery play right here. Clean trap. But I'm not taking it till I get some kind of liquidity grab. Go for the sell? No. 5-minute candle respect? Yes. If I was going to enter, it would have been on the 30 on the flip. I don't mind not taking what I didn't plan for. I didn't plan for this position. I planned for a different type of position.
My car's stuck.
You're in a rut? Call AAA.
Huh.
You will regret it. I will not. I'm completely fine and happy if it drives down here.
Yeah,
and
people
gives you
think
guys
because
profits.
because we're not in a position and it drives down 100 pips that we'll get like FOMO or we'll get mad. Like it's not even our position to take. Oh, you're not taking this position? Oh, Pat, you're gonna regret that shit, bro. Yeah, No, sir, we're not. Like, trust me, the days and tomorrow's gonna come, and we can miss another 100 pips. But until we actually get our position, we do not care. We put our left shoulder up, we put our right shoulder up, and we drop them because we don't care. But Don, it just drove down 100 pips. How? So be it. So be it. But that doesn't stop you from taking positions, you know that, right, chat? Like, it doesn't just because like Wixnine is taking a position or whatever. Like, it doesn't mean like you can't take a position. Like, you can take a buy, sell anytime you want, over leverage anytime you want, but it's your position. Every position you take is yours. Even the ones that you take on stream with us, it's your position at the end of the day too, right?
All right, you deserve all the praise, not us. You took it.
Yeah.
Wow, the Knicks are up. Last time I looked at this, it was in the first quarter, and they were down, I think, 15 or 20. And the Knicks are up right now. Good shit. You might actually make the playoffs. You're right, I think he's using the last... What? I missed something. How do you set your resistance levels? Resistance support? Well, we go on the higher time frame first. Right? It's strange we're not driving down here. We're trickling down here, but we are coming down. And look at the 1 hour. Just filling. See this? By the end of the hour, it should be here. Down here. Mirroring this. But you go to the 1 hour. Go to the daily. Find your bias. Daily's filling the wick. 4 hour. You have a nice level there. You have a level here. Go to the 1 hour. Kind of fine tune your level. Pinpoint to the better level on that 1 hour. And then go to the 30. Go to the 5. See where it makes more sense on the 5. Because at some levels, at certain levels, the 5 makes complete sense because at those levels the higher time frames are flipping and breaking, or respecting resistance and support. You have to see where it makes the most sense. Use logic. Well, most of this comes in. Most of this is like, you know, it's knowledge guided by experience. So it's not just logical thinking. It's logical thinking based on what I've seen in the charts before. That's it. Oh shit, we got a dono. Why nobody say nothing? Diego. This guy doesn't miss. Most consistent dude in the game.
50 that I don't know.
Yeah, this guy, I don't even know him, but I think he's donated every stream this week. Your stream as well.
Yeah, he did. Pretty sure Diego.
Yeah, it's good shit. Thank you for showing up. We ain't forgetting that name. He's gonna buy ganja with that money. Probably will. I probably will. Oh man. Yeah, but the boy's loyal. You know that, right? That's loyalty for you. Can we get our peak today? I think my peak viewers was like 617 or 613, something like that.
What do you have?
Right now, 600.
If you take a trade, you'll get a peak.
Oh yeah, I know.
So they'll all come after a trade.
Are you kidding
They'll
me?
definitely all come.
Don Vo on stream, and I take a trade. Crazy.
You know.
This shit would have been packed out. 2K tomorrow. Can't look, chat. So the 30 closed nicely, right? If we look at the higher time frame, the 1 hour never closed here, so we can still have the 1 hour pull back and leave a nice wick for us to fill on the next hourly. I'll be fine with taking that. But
You have range all the way to 21, anyways.
oh yeah, on higher time frame, absolutely.
19,
4 hour, 2 hour,
That's so much
1 hour,
range.
and massive range. Yeah, look at this. It's just need some closures. So the 30 gave us a closure, right? But it never gave us a top wick. It just drove straight down. We wanted a liquidity grab. 5 gave us a closure. 5 gave us a closure, but didn't give us a resistance, right? Yeah, those are 15 pips off the 5.
OVO unruly. Need some mangoes. What's your favorite mango, Wix?
I'm not big into mangoes. I like to jump rope.
Nah, for real. What's your favorite mango? You like sour mangoes? You like sweet mangoes?
I'm fine with all mangoes. Shit, I'll jump rope while eating a mango.
Right. Ain't no telling. No telling.
Shit. You get me a goat, a mango, and a jump rope, I'm good. Oh, damn, they just hit a 3.
You see,
See, this Knicks do this all the time.
You see the January 25th candle? Not bad. Wednesday, January 25th, yeah. The 1 hour? The hourly on that. You're basically mirroring that if you close below an hourly candle. And you see the next hour candle just pop down and make its way down towards like 20.
Wait, what?
You see the candle on 23rd, 25th of January on the hourly time frame?
Okay.
Like that range there, you see how it came up, tapped like 24 levels? You can mirror that on the hourly. Up, 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 up. This right here. Zoom out. This right here. This is right here is matching with this right here. Go up.
1934. You said 1924.
No. Go to January 20, like the hourly candle at on January 25th.
Yeah.
2 a.m. Yeah, right there. Leave it. You're basically mirroring this. All right, all that range going down. You close here. This is your closure. You close below here. This is your closure below, and then you take sells here. Sells there. All that range.
Yeah.
Yep.
I see how you're expecting it to come back up and look into that area at 1934 that we spoke earlier about. But before, the bias was bullish on all those days. We switched to a bearish bias. We were closing bullish. So I don't know if we end up coming back there because it already hit like over here.
No. I was saying like the 1 hour account already tapped that level. So you close below an hourly, like next count should just be going straight down.
Wow, overtime. This fucking sucks. The Knicks, the Rangers, it doesn't matter which New York team it is. It's fucking terrible. Take full TP where Wix mentioned. Great. Lots of range. Should come down more. This hourly needs to leave a top wick. Where's your level here? 1926.5?
I got 28. Oh wait, sorry. I got below 28.
Oh, anywhere below this level?
Yeah, we're below 28.
Six minutes here, chat, but it's got to pull back. Got to leave a bottom wick here. Carmelo Anthony.
Yo, I got bounce.
Out. What?
Yeah, I might got a bounce.
Where you going?
I call my girl.
Where you going, bro?
I call my girl. You know those ones, chat? And like, you know, they're going to bed, so you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta just...
What, go to bed?
Go. I can't go. I'm not gonna bed now. I'm gonna be up, but I gotta call my girl.
Yo. I'll go to bed. Be a man.
Yo, but before I dip chat, shameless New York session plug tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Yeah. Wix now will be there. Right.
That's your plug? I'm gonna be there. Yo, 6:30. You motherfuckers better be there. This is massive value drop. We had a big fucking win today, right? Big win. I had 70 combined pips. It
70 big
between two trades, yo, it kept running. So
long big
Uh,
pips, bro. Long and big pips. Wide pips, yo.
huge wicks.
Huge wicks.
Huge wicks.
Crazy ass, humongous, wide body kick. Fucking
Juice head wicks.
juice head wicks.
All day.
Chef's kiss wicks.
Capiche? Be there. 6:30 a.m. Eastern, live New York session. Stream continues on YouTube.
How long are you on here for, Wicks?
I'm gonna be here for another 10, 15, maybe 5.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna hit you up later.
All right.
I'm gonna hit you up. It's gonna be a beautiful day tonight, or tonight, I believe. It's a beautiful morning.
I think it's
or
gonna be
whatever
nice
it is.
pre-London. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice London, beautiful morning. Alright, bro.
All right.
See you,
Yeah,
chat.
brother.
Love you guys.
Good.
Leave a like leave a like on the Wick's stream, guys. He does a lot for you guys. You guys don't even notice.
Quick size does matter. Thank you,
6.16. Okay. Almost there. Almost at 7K.
man. 6.1, almost at 7. You're like me. I round shit up too. I got 6.1 pips. Nah, fuck it. We could call it 7 because
Yeah. Let's go straight to 10.
10 pips. Fuck it. Might as well round it up to the nearest 10.
Alright, peace out, bro.
Later, bro. All right, I'm out. Reza, you take over.
Yo, that's hilarious. Imagine.
Chat, I'm leaving you with Reza.
All right, guys. Everybody sell full margin right now. Did you do it? You guys are not ride or die if you didn't do it.
All right, chat. We're muting Reza. Okay, you didn't have to mute yourself. You're good. I know we got a minute till closure here. I know Don was looking at anything below 128, but I like the level that I have drawn here. For some reason, it just brings out the comfort out of me, right? Or in me. That's where the comfort level starts seeping through my pores. Ideally, a top wick somewhere to 1928, and maybe we could take these cells, but I think you'll see an indication of that on the 5-minute. Oh, there's the level. All right, chat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Chat, no bottom wick. We needed a bottom wick here on the previous candle in order for us to take sells off the rip. What happened here is this current hourly closed below our range, which is good, perfect, but it didn't leave us a bottom wick, indicating that there's no more range to come down. So what I would expect from this candle is to make a bottom wick and start coming up. I don't mind taking sells later because once this current hour that just opened, it's probably gonna end up making a bottom wick and coming up, and you'll see this candle at some point close bullish. That's what I would expect, right? It's not to say we're gonna start heading bullish, but I would expect this to come up and close like this. And if this happens, obviously the 5 will create a resistance somewhere here, somewhere in these areas. Because on the smaller time frame, you'll see it pushing up and candles forming. And as it starts coming back down, we're going to look for sells below these areas. Below these areas. It'll look like a fake out on a higher time frame, and it'll look like it found resistance on a smaller time frame on the 5-minute. I'm not saying it can't flip here and drive all the way down. I'm saying by the end of this hour, it should close bullish, and we don't know if it flips and drives down to here, drives down to here, or drives down to here. We just know eventually it should reject, come back bullish. So I'm not willing to take the risk of it, you know, rejecting right here, because it can reject here, 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 wherever it does. I'm just, there's no point risking it. We'd rather have more confirmation that after it's rejected and then came back up and found a resistance, that we can take more cells coming down once we start printing something like this, yeah. Then we'll take those cells again below 1928, like Don said. Solid level, right? So come up above here, and then it'll come back bearish. That's why we were saying London should be good, because we're realizing the amount of time it should take to do all this, right? It most likely London, pre-London, and it would be perfect volume-wise to drive us all the way, all the way down through to the NY session and fill all these ranges. It'll make complete sense. And if you look at the 4-hour, let me get out of this, get out of this. I believe the 4-hour is breaking the previous 4-hour lows. No, so we have the 4-hour is also going to be closed. So this is our 4-hour level. Next 4-hour closes at 1 a.m., right? This 4-hour candle, like we said, this next hour, see, this falls in line perfectly. So if this next hour comes up bullish and the next hour finds resistance, by 1 a.m., you're looking at a bearish 1-hour closure here. And by 4, you're looking at this bearish 4-hour closure. And 1 a.m. is pre-London time, or London pre-London. Perfect time for volume to kick in, as this candle closes bearish here at 1 a.m. Right? If this candle ends up closing like this at 1 a.m., then you're looking at the entire range being filled here on a bearish day, 4-hour closing. Look for top wick. And from 1 to 5, this is your candle. From 1 a.m. to 5 a.m., this is your whole London session. Right here, this big candle. And can you take advantage of it on the smaller time frame between here and here? Absolutely. You'll zoom into the 5, and you'll start getting indications of where you're coming back in range. This is why we say anticipate the higher time frame. See how what we're expecting with the higher time frame. Now, how would we see it on the 5, and what would it look like? And it would look like a fake out coming up above here and coming breaking below. And it'll also play around here on the 5 and establish a 5-hour. I need some 5-hour energy. And it'll establish 5-minute zone. Once it does that, you can use that zone as your stops once you start heading down. Not just the break of a higher time frame candle, but the entire zone here. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, chat. Okay? So zones are valid. Everything we just discussed is valid all the way through to London. Hopefully that's the closure we get on the 4-hour time frame that we just drew up. If anyone wants to save it, make a clip. Awesome. Show it to us tomorrow. What about this 4-hour making the bottom wick for the previous 2 4-hour with no bottom wick? I'm sure I understand that. No, that's not how it works. I mean, I see you must have heard us drop this idea somewhere, but that's not how it works. Because you're taking things out of context by saying that. There's a lot of context to when we were breaking that down. Dollar with the dono. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for showing up. It's not about the money, it's about the love, and the guy's showing love. He shows up here too from time to time and drops a few donos, drops a few dimes. Appreciate you. It's good for the community. It's good for the community to see, you know, camaraderie. Appreciate you. But I think that's it. That's it for our session. Reza, thank you for coming by. Shout out to Dom Vote. Thank him for coming by. Go like and subscribe.
Thank you for hosting. Yo, Wix, when
Absolutely.
you said you're starting this, I had a little bit of doubt that you wouldn't be consistent. But you've been really fucking consistent. You've been really
Yeah,
fucking consistent.
yeah, we're
Good
killing it.
shit.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, go like and sub to Dr. Dollar's channel. He streams during London. He trades a little bit differently than we do, but you know he still trades London. He still streams London, and shout out to him. That's a fucking difficult thing to do. Go like and sub Don Vo's channel. We're live tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Back at it again with the white mans. We're gonna have our last stream of the week, and we're gonna try to keep it going because today the NY session ate it up, right? The signals ate it up, the live stream ate it up. Don killed it, I killed it, we slayed it. So let's come back tomorrow. Let's keep the streak going. And remember, no Asian session tomorrow. If you want to show up, it's gonna be nothing but crickets. I won't be trading it. It's Friday. You ain't got a job. You ain't got shit to do. Go get high. Go chill, go relax, go have some fun with your friends. Enjoy it. It's the Asian session weekend starting tonight, and we are back for this session on Monday. Monday, 8 p.m. I'll be on live, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the morning session, whoever shows up. Also, thank you, mods. Appreciate all the mods being here. Green, Reza, Kay, everybody. Thank you for helping me hold it down here. Or thank you for holding it down. I'm not doing shit in the chat. I barely read any of it today. But that's it. That's our session. And I will see you guys in the AM.
Take care. Take care, Wix. Thanks for
Yes.
hosting it.
Yes.
See you tomorrow.
No problem. Love and wisdom, everybody. Love and wisdom.